Hey there, foodie and travel enthusiast. Have you ever dreamed of mastering the art of making Italian pasta in the heart of Florence? First, we must go shopping for our ingredients. This indoor market sells fresh, local ingredients. Italians take their food very seriously, so anything less than perfection just won't do. Travel tip, you could spend at least 3 hours here in this market. If you are a foodie, you're going to be in paradise. Welcome to Travel with the Hales. When you are on vacation in any country, but especially Italy, immerse yourself in the culinary wonders of Italy. Get ready for a hands-on experience that will tantalize your taste buds and unite your passion for Italian cuisine. Now let's talk about the challenges that come with mastering the techniques of pasta making and wine pairing. It's just not about mixing flour and water. It's about understanding the science behind perfect pasta dough and finding the ideal wine to complement your dish.
So since now we will start a proper communication with our dough.
Today we were kneading the dough, cutting it in different shapes, learning the art of pasta from expert chefs who have perfected their craft over generations. Picture this, you and your fellow travelers tasting your freshly made pasta paired with a perfectly selected Italian wine. The harmony of the flavors dancing on your palate, creating an amazing taste that you are never going to forget. We learn how to create from scratch ravioli, bolognese, and tiramisu. Of course, we tasted wines to pair with each one of these. This was a very hands-on class, and the skills we learned we will use many times in the future. The joy of learning new culinary skills in a setting like in Florence, the satisfaction of creating enjoyable, delicious Italian dishes with newfound friends will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this hands-on experience is perfect for food lovers at all levels. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more travel and cooking adventures. Share your own experiences in the comments below and let us know if you ever tried your hand at making your own pasta from scratch. Until next time, happy cooking and happy travels!